English to Gujarati travel verbs. To get on, get off, arrive in.
રવાના થવું.
Welcome aboard. Hey, you're about to learn travel verbs in a fun way, without sounding like a robot trapped in a station announcement. Let's hop onto this little language journey together. Today your mission is simple. Survive a very dramatic train trip while learning Gujarati. You will hear and remember words for to get on, get off, change trains, set off, arrive, depart, stop, and be late. In Gujarati, to get on is
ચડવું.
to get off is
ઉતરવું.
to change trains is
બદલી કરવી.
to set off or depart is
રવાના થવું.
to arrive is
પહોંચવું.
to stop is
અટકવું.
and to be late is
મોડું થવું.
Yes, that is a lot. No, you are not.
મોડું થવું.
In learning, you are right on time. A station full of chaos. Picture this. You are at a busy station, holding a bag, a snack, and absolutely no clue why your ticket looks nervous. Perfect. Learning begins. You run to the platform and say, I want to get on the bus. In Gujarati, that key action is
ચડવું.
Then someone yells, no, not the bus, the train. So you quickly
ચડવું.
the train instead. A chicken in sunglasses also tries to
ચડવું.
a bicycle like it is public transport. Nobody stops the chicken. This is apparently normal at this station. After one stop, you ask, do we get off here? The answer is yes.
ઉતરવું.
So you
ઉતરવું.
carefully, unlike the chicken, who exits with the confidence of a movie star and the balance of a potato. One train, two trains, too many trains. Now things get interesting, because one train is apparently not dramatic enough. You need a transfer. At the next station, you do not finish your journey. You need to change trains. In Gujarati, that is
બદલી કરવી.
say it with me.
બદલી કરવી.
You get off one train, run across the platform, and prepare to
ચડવું.
another. That whole switching action is
બદલી કરવી.
Imagine your suitcase shouting, why are we doing cardio? Because, dear suitcase, we must.
બદલી કરવી.
If you forget to,
બદલી કરવી.
you may end up in the wrong city, the wrong district, or possibly at a wedding where nobody knows you but everybody still offers snacks. Departure drama. Every journey has that magical moment when everything begins moving and everyone suddenly pretends they were ready all along. Let's learn that moment. When a train sets off, the Gujarati phrase is
રવાના થવું.
This also works for depart, so set off and depart share the same useful Gujarati phrase here.
રવાના થવું.
The train will.
રવાના થવું.
In 5 minutes. We must.
રવાના થવું.
Early in the morning. The bus is about to.
રવાના થવું.
You wave heroically as if starring in an epic film, but you are only leaving for platform 3. Still, emotion is emotion. A lazy cat jumps into a suitcase and seems fully ready for.
રવાના થવું.
The cat has no ticket, no plan, and somehow more confidence than all human travelers combined. At last, we arrive. After stress, snacks, and at least one unnecessary sprint, you finally reach the destination. Time for a very satisfying word. To arrive in Gujarati is
પહોંચવું.
when you finally.
પહોંચવું.
There is relief. There may also be tea. Ideally both. We arrive at the station.
પહોંચવું.
They want to arrive early.
પહોંચવું.
I hope to arrive before sunset.
પહોંચવું.
Even a snail can.
પહોંચવું.
Eventually. It just schedules everything for next year. Compare the feeling.
રવાના થવું.
Is the beginning, and
પહોંચવું.
is the happy ending, unless you forgot your bag. Then it is a sequel. Red light, stop. Not every movement word is about going somewhere. Sometimes the most important travel skill is not crashing into a goat, a gate, or your own bad decisions. To stop in Gujarati is
અટકવું.
the car must.
અટકવું.
At the red light, please.
અટકવું.
Before the gate, the train will.
અટકવું.
Here for 2 minutes. Imagine a dancing elephant hearing disco music and suddenly remembering to.
અટકવું.
That pause, that freeze, that dramatic brake squeak, that is your memory hook. Sometimes, to travel safely, you must.
અટકવું.
Language lesson and life lesson, both included at no extra cost. Oops, we are late. And now we meet the most human travel verb of them all. The one powered by alarms, traffic, and terrible decision-making. To be late in Gujarati is
મોડું થવું.
I do not want to.
મોડું થવું.
For work. If we leave now, we will not.
મોડું થવું.
He always seems to.
મોડું થવું.
Imagine a snail wearing a necktie and proudly announcing, my special talent is.
મોડું થવું.
Quote. If you miss the train because you forgot to.
ચડવું.
On time, or forgot to.
બદલી કરવી.
Then yes, you may.
મોડું થવું.
The good news is that now you can complain about it in Gujarati, which feels much more sophisticated. Quick practice drill. You have met the words. Now let's make them stick. I say the English, and you imagine the Gujarati before hearing it. To get on.
ચડવું.
Get off.
ઉતરવું.
Change trains.
બદલી કરવી.
Set off.
રવાના થવું.
Arrive.
પહોંચવું.
Depart.
રવાના થવું.
Stop.
અટકવું.
Be late.
મોડું થવું.
Mini dialogue challenge. Let's finish with a tiny spoken scene. You are at the station, trying to look calm while your soul is doing backflips. A. Should we get on now? B. Yes, let's.
ચડવું.
Before it leaves. A. Is this our stop? B. Yes, we.
ઉતરવું.
Here. A. Do we stay on this train? B. No, we must.
બદલી કરવી.
A. When does it depart? B. It will.
રવાના થવું.
Soon. A. When will we arrive? B. We will.
પહોંચવું.
Soon, unless someone buys snacks again. A. The light is red. B. Then.
અટકવું.
A. We missed the bus. B. Great. Now we will.
મોડું થવું.
Very elegant. Very professional. Friendly goodbye. Nice work. You just traveled through a whole chapter and did not lose your luggage, your sense of humor, or your Gujarati verbs. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
ચડવું. ઉતરવું. બદલી કરવી. રવાના થવું. પહોંચવું. અટકવું.
And.
મોડું થવું.
Out loud. Repeat them on your walk, in the car, or while pretending your kitchen is platform 4. Thank you for listening, and keep practicing a little every day. You are doing great.